Back, everybody. Just giving you a heads up. I showed you a little clip of my new logo for my hat, because this one, you see, it's kind of shot, and it seems to be something that everybody's recognizing me for. So I'm going to give it a little update. All right, guys. So what an update I got for you guys today. I am psyched. My first floor is basically done. My heat is working. My water's working. The hot water's working. Everything is good. I'm just cleaning up a few little details. I'm actually signing the lease for the apartment in the next couple of days. So that's it. Done. First floor done. I'm gonna start making money on the property coming back to me, at least. You know, it's a tough situation where you're just spending. At this point, once you got at least something rented, something's coming back. So next step is going to be the second floor. Now the second floor is going to be very easy, in my opinion. All I got to do over there is a bathroom, some carpeting. The kitchen looks great. It's basically aesthetic stuff, so not too bad. So as far as how much money has went into this project already. All right, so as you know from our last update, we were basically at around 30. We bought the house for 33. With the renovations up until that point, we were at $39,425. And so I mean, I definitely went up from there. So at the end of the day, the water line issue that was bugging me at that point ended up costing me only $1,700 instead of $3,000, which was awesome. By the way, for those of you who are just jumping in right now, you can go back on any of my past videos and see exactly what led up to this point. Probably best bet. I would definitely appreciate the views, definitely appreciate any likes, and yeah, absolutely subscribe, so this way you can follow my progress. I really appreciate any support that I get from anybody. All right, moving forward. So the water line ended up only costing me $1,700, which was great. At the time, it was good. I felt like I saved a lot of money. I ended up spending $800 on the floors, another $1,600 on the porch roof. I did all the siding on the house. It went from that to that, which, you know, that's not a completed photo, but they actually haven't finished the siding on the second floor yet due to weather. We also did the toilets. It turned out that the toilets were busted, so we just put 2 new toilets in. Cost me $200. The guy that was doing the plumbing for me charged me $2,100. That's the guy that kind of messed me up a little bit and didn't finish the job completely. Whatever. Lesson learned. I took a little hit for that one. I had to pay an additional $500 to somebody else to complete the work that gentleman didn't finish. But at the same time, the person that finished that work for me also connected the water heater, serviced it, got my water back on it. Psyched. It was so exciting to see the hot water working in the house for the first time. Really awesome. We went through the furnace. Good thing about the furnace is that you don't necessarily have to go and rip out a furnace and just assume that it doesn't work. You can just send the service guy there like I did. I had a guy come in, took a look at it. He replaced a couple of parts on the furnace. Only costed me $350 instead of you know, well over $1,000 for a new furnace, maybe even $2,000 for that one. So replaced it. The heat works awesome in the house. So as I stand now, I got heat, I got hot water, I got everything I need for the tenant to move in. The tenant is actually already starting the process of moving in because everything is basically done. The only thing that's left to do on the first floor is to drop the carpeting on the back bedrooms. Other than that, the tenants moved in, and I get to start making some money actually, instead of just being in the rears. So as far as the numbers go, boom, we started at $33,000 for the house. Up until now, adding all the numbers up with even a miscellaneous cost over here for for me driving up and down there. I also bought some lights, so I spent a couple of dollars here and there. It's probably around $1,000. So right now I'm up to $50,475. That's pretty significant. So I'm above where I wanted to be at my 50, if you remember that from the previous video. But at the end of the day, I'm learning a lot. This is my first project. My second project will be probably better. I guess we'll see to find out. But the lessons I've learned on this property, I'll definitely carry it over to my second one. There's definitely some mistakes I made here that I hopefully will not repeat again. I'll do everything I can not to, and I'm looking forward to getting the second floor now done. I'll update you guys as that goes along, of course. And also, just like to take a second really to tell you guys, don't forget, subscribe if you like the video. Hit that like button. There's that little bell that you could hit, so this way you can know every time I post a video, something will pop up for you. Give me a comment, tell me what you think of the video. If you have any questions, I'm mentoring a few people already on the side. That was a surprise. I got 4 people that are actually doing what I'm doing, and they're using my experience as learning points. So that's working out really well, it seems like. If anybody has any questions, follow up with me in the comment section below. I'm here for you. All right. See you next time. See you next video. See ya.